I'm Dr. Beth Pekoski, Vice Chair of the Council for the Advancement of Higher Education Programs, and I'm honored and pleased to introduce this year's Barbara Townsend Lecture. Barbara Townsend served as the ASHE Executive Director and on many other committees to improve the study of higher education for her higher education colleagues. Barbara was particularly well known for her research on community colleges, feminist studies, doctoral education, and higher education programs. In 1995, Barbara, Les Goodchild, and Bob Hendrickson co-founded the Council for the Advancement of Higher Education Programs, CAHEP. CAHEP and the larger ASHE community wanted to recall her spirit and enthusiasm for higher education programs annually with a lecture series in her honor. This year's honored speaker is Dr. Xueli Wang. Dr. Wang is the Barbara and Glenn Thompson Professor in Educational Leadership and Professor of Higher Education in the Department of Educational Leadership and Policy Analysis at the University of Wisconsin-Madison. Dr. Wang's research agenda centers on identifying factors and contexts that shape underserved students' learning, experiences, and trajectories to success. Her published scholarship has primarily advanced this area of focus through two interconnected strands. One, students' participation and success in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics fields. And two, the access, progress, and development of students who begin post-secondary education at community colleges. In her inquiry, Dr. Wang engages a variety of quantitative, qualitative, and mixed methods research designs to illuminate practices, structures, and policies toward transformative change for optimal educational opportunities and equitable outcomes. A notable example of Dr. Wang's work is her book, On My Own, published by Harvard Education Press in April of 2020. Grounded in longitudinal mixed methods research, the book unravels enduring inequities in transfer access, particularly in STEM, and issues a plan of action toward cultivating equitable STEM transfer pathways. Among her numerous awards for research and teaching, Dr. Wang was honored with the Barbara K. Townsend Emerging Scholar Award by the Council for the Study of Community Colleges in spring 2015 and received the UW-Madison School of Education's Faculty Distinguished Achievement Award in spring 2020.